Have you ever pondered what happens after we draw our final breath? This question, as old as humanity itself, has sparked curiosity, debate, and even fear in our hearts. Death, the great equalizer, the ultimate destination of every living being, is an enigma wrapped in mystery. What lies beyond? Is there an afterlife, a second act, or is death just a long, unending sleep? These questions have been the subject of countless philosophical discussions and have been explored in literature, art, and culture across the globe and through the ages. From the earliest civilizations to our modern societies, the mystery of what happens after death has fascinated us. It's a question that transcends culture, religion, and scientific understanding. It's a riddle that we all, at some point in our lives, try to solve. Many have sought answers to this question, and their responses have varied. So let's delve into this enigmatic topic and explore the different perspectives on life after death. From the Egyptian pyramids to Hindu beliefs in reincarnation, cultures worldwide have developed their perceptions of life after death. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, envisioned an intricate underworld journey, a divine test of one's earthly deeds to determine their place in the afterlife. This belief was so integral to their culture that they built grand pyramids as tombs to facilitate this journey. On the other side of the world, Hindu philosophy embraces the concept of reincarnation, the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth guided by one's karma. They believe that the soul is eternal, and that the physical body is simply a vessel. The ultimate goal is to break free from this cycle and achieve moksha, a state of liberation and unity with the divine. These cultural interpretations, though vastly different, all attempt to explain the same mystery, what lies beyond death. Religion offers another lens through which to explore the afterlife. Many of the world's religions provide their own interpretations of what happens to us when our physical existence ends. Christianity, for instance, speaks of heaven and hell, eternal places of reward or punishment. Islam shares a similar concept with its vision of Jannah and Jahannam, paradisical gardens or fiery pits. Moving eastward, Buddhism presents a contrasting idea. It talks of rebirth, a cycle of life, death, and resurrection, known as samsara, which continues until one achieves nirvana, the ultimate liberation. These are just 3 examples, but countless other religious perspectives exist, each offering unique insights into the mysteries of the afterlife. These interpretations not only reflect the diverse human understanding of life and death, but also provide comfort and guidance to many in their journeys through life. Religious beliefs provide comfort and guidance to many, but what does science have to say about life after death? In contrast to cultural and religious interpretations, science offers a markedly different perspective on life after death. From a purely scientific standpoint, the concept of life after death is often linked to the cessation of consciousness once biological life ends. This is grounded in the understanding that our thoughts, memories, and consciousness are the products of complex processes within our brains. When these processes stop, so too does our sense of self. However, this isn't to say science dismisses the possibility of an afterlife entirely. Intriguing phenomena like near-death experiences have sparked considerable scientific interest. These experiences, often characterized by a sense of detachment from the body, traveling through a tunnel, or encountering deceased loved ones, are subjects of ongoing research. Scientists are striving to unravel whether these experiences reflect a true glimpse into an afterlife, or if they're merely the brain's response to extreme stress. While science may not provide comforting answers, it continues to explore the enigma of death and what follows. So, is there life after death? We've embarked on a journey, exploring a range of perspectives on this enduring question. From cultural interpretations, where the afterlife is often imagined as a continuation of our earthly existence in some form, to religious views that offer a spectrum of beliefs, from reincarnation to heavenly realms and spiritual enlightenment. We've also considered the scientific perspective, which typically leans towards skepticism, emphasizing that there's no empirical evidence to support the existence of an afterlife. Yet, even in the realm of science, there are those who speculate about consciousness surviving bodily death in some way. In essence, the concept of the afterlife varies dramatically from culture to culture, religion to religion, and individual to individual. It's a complex tapestry of beliefs, hopes, fears, and speculations that reflect our deep-rooted human desire to understand the unknown. The question remains unanswered, and perhaps unanswerable. But isn't it the mystery that makes life so intriguing?